This is the Ambient Quick Lock, our quick release system for boom poles. I show you. It lets you easily switch between different microphone and transmitter setups like this. Opening, putting it in again. Super easy, super secure hold. It's available in black and in signature purple, and today we show you how you can maintain and clean your Quick Lock on your own. Usually it is enough to clean and grease the moving parts of the Quick Lock that can be accessed from the outside. Completely disassembling the whole Quick Lock is only required if the grease on the inner mechanism is completely washed out or if there is a severe amount of dirt and debris inside hindering proper operation. And now you've got two options. Either you send it to us and we'll take care of it, or you do it yourself. That's totally doable, but you need a few tools and also some repair skills, as you will see, and that's what we are showing you now. Here's what you'll need: a 1.5mm Allen key, a 2mm Allen key, a fine hook, a dental pick for example works great, and a special tool, just a piece of bent wire about 3mm thick covered with a heat shrink tubing or tape so it won't scratch the surface. Plus a bench vise or similar and some paper towels and grease. In case you're interested, we use the same PAO lithium grease for our Quick Locks as we use for our Quick Pole booms. Now let's get started. Unscrew the M4 grub screw on the bottom. Now take the special tool and place it right here in the groove between the aluminium body and the plastic cap. Carefully clamp everything in the bench vise and gently tighten it until the plastic cap pops off. There it is. Remove the cap and now you can see a second grub screw, an M3. This one prevents the inner part from twisting too far. Next, the spring. Take the fine hook and unhook it from its groove like this. Now hold the spring in place with your fingernail or the hook and unscrew the inner carrier completely from the chassis, counterclockwise. Then carefully remove the spring from the carrier. And that's the whole unit disassembled. Now clean all parts thoroughly with paper towels. Don't use cleaning alcohol or similar, really just paper towels. And now it's time to put it all back together. Slide the spring back onto the carrier and hook it back into its groove. Now grease all parts thoroughly. A toothbrush works well, or just use your finger. And don't forget the inner side of the top. If you skip this, the tip can seize. Now screw the M3 grub screw back in. You'll have to hold the turning inner part with your thumb while you do this. Then push the plastic cap back on. It simply snaps into place with a bit of pressure. And finally, the M4 grub screw goes back in. And that's it. Your Quick Lock is clean, greased and ready for many more years on your boom pole. In case you have an older version of the Quick Lock that still includes this rubber ring here, we recommend to remove the rubber ring and replace this spring with our upgraded spring for even smoother operation. The upgraded spring is available separately as a spare part in our webshop or at your local dealer.